What is going on, guys? So today I got a quick video for you in Star Wars Battlefront 2, the classic 2006 edition. Also, let me turn down this volume, which we can just do like that really quick. So this is about if you get a black screen whenever you load into a multiplayer game and how to fix it. So I've had this problem when I launched this game initially. Like single player would even give me a black screen sometimes when I would load into a game, but multiplayer 100%. Like when I would spawn in, it would just be a black screen. Why is that? That's because this is an old game that uses DirectX and it doesn't work well with overlays. So if you have Steam overlay enabled and Discord overlay, the game's gonna not know what to do and it's just gonna give you a black screen. So for example, if I just go multiplayer here, and then I do create, and then I'll do, for example, we can do Coruscant, Clone Wars, we can do select all, we can launch, or actually we need to add the map first. So let's click on Coruscant, add the map, launch, and now we'll see the game actually is loading. Oh, my recording looks crazy. Okay, anyways, so just auto assign a team. And then if I were to spawn in here, it would normally give me a black screen if I had overlays enabled. But since it's not enabled, I've disabled all of them. We can actually play the game. And how do we do that? Let me show you how to do that really quick. So obviously now Shift Tab won't actually open the Steam overlay. So we're gonna have to Alt Tab out of the game. We're gonna have to open Steam. Okay, we're gonna open Steam. We're gonna go to our library, right click on the game, then go to properties, and then make sure this is turned off. Okay, so once this is turned off, the screen will probably be fine, but if Discord is also running, let me show you how to do that. So how to disable Discord overlay on games, you're going to go to user settings and then just type in overlay up here. You'll see game overlay shows up as an option. And you just make sure all of these are turned to X. So then Discord overlay won't show up in any of this for this game at all, or any games that you play currently. It disables it, so you can be on Discord, talk to your friends, and the overlay won't mess with the game. So those are the two overlays you want to turn off, and then when you launch the game, you should be able to actually see and play the game. So it won't give you a black screen when you spawn in. You can now play it, and it should work now. So let me know if you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, drop a like. Oh, I just died. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.